Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Amir. Today I will share with you how you can create this beautifully passport size photo with just a easy way. To learn this, let's get started the video. You can use this image anywhere in your resume or for an other purpose. To learn this, let's get started the video. In first step, you can just import your image in Photoshop. After that, just you can click on this lock button with this unlock. Now you can do editing in this image. First of all, just go to side panel and select here this crop tool, and with this we can crop our image. You can just select here width and height and resolutions, and you can just type here 2 by 2 inches. You can type here any amount you want, like a 2 inch or 1.5 inches. I'm just type this, and you can now just select this crop tool and you can just adjust your image. I'm just adjusting this. I am saving this part. After this, just click on this enter and click Ctrl+0 to pull this screen. When you select a crop tool, make sure you select this delete cropped pixels. Now just go to top panel and select here this move tool, or you can just press the V key on your keyboard to select this move tool, and just click on this show transform control. With this, these dots are shown on your image. Now just press alt key to decrease its size little bit. I am just adjust it here. After adjusting its size in the center, just hold a control key and just click on this image thumbnail. With this selection is created on our this image. Now just click on this edit and just select here a stroke, and you can just select here a width 1 pixel, or I am just type here 1.5 pixels, and make sure you select here a color to a black. After this, just click on this OK button, and I am also click here on this OK button, and you can press Ctrl D to deselect it, and now you can see here this stroke is added on our this image. Now just press the Ctrl A to select this all image, and now just click on this edit and select here this define pattern to create our this image into a passport size image. Just select this define pattern, and you can just type here any name you want. I am just selecting this passport size photo tutorial, and after this just click on this OK button. Now just press Ctrl N to select a new document, or you can just click on this file and just select here this new, and with this new document is opened, you can select here this print. In this print, I am selecting here this legal, and you can just select here this portrait. After this, just click on this create. With this, our this new document is created. Now just go to adjustment layers and select here this pattern. In this pattern, you can just select here your image which you selected as a define pattern. I am just selecting over this image, and you can see here our this image is created as a passport size. You can just increase here size how many images you want. I am just selecting here value of 150, and now you can see here our these passport size images are created. You can just delete these extra part when you print your passport size image. Now you can see here our this passport size image is created. That's it. I hope you really enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.